examination point of view, we should study some details, some facts. So these are there. So we know that these are the three obstacles in the way of national development, that is ignorance, disease and poverty. And the most deadly among these is ignorance. Okay, ignorance is the highest, that is the most severe problem among these three: ignorance, disease and poverty. Ignorance is the highest one. Now in order to overcome this problem, India has implemented 5-year plans. Okay, to promote economic development, spread of education, removal of illiteracy, control diseases and elimination of poverty. Then lack of proper education, that is the one of the most severe problems, that is inequality and quantity. It is one of the major problem. We have this enthusiastic young population, but the problem is the lack of proper education. Then humanistic training plus technological study is vital in achieving development. So the one of the function of education is to earn living. That is also one of the important function. Science is both knowledge and power. It is not devoid of moral value. So science is both knowledge and power. That is an important point. And then the greatest crime against humanity is done by so-called educated civilized man. Okay, civilized educated men are the people who committed greatest crime against humanity. And then the point mentioned is William Blake, that the line is, the tree of life is sustained by art, the tree of death by science. Actually author opposes this point of view, William Blake. William Blake is the poet. Okay, then humanities tells us about our own nature and how we grow from day to day. And the teaching of Upanishads, that is Tattvamasi, like the truth seeking, that thing is included here. That is thou art that. That is, it was included in Chandogya Upanishad. I think that the pronunciation is that Chandogya Upanishad. I am that. I am that. That is, I am that. That each human individual is to be regarded as a spark of the divine. Okay. Then two principles of modern world are, we are members of one of another. We are members of one another. The second thing is that there is no decree of God or man which compels us to be sick and hungry, poor and unemployed. So it is our responsibility to help each other. So these are the two principles of modern world. Then the strong shall help the weak is the foundation of all civilized existence. So it is a foundation. What is the foundation of all civilized existence? The strong shall help the weak. So that is the foundation of all civilized existence. You know, in the sacred book, holy book, mentioned in this essay is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, that particular shloka, Jnana Vijnanam Sahidam, that is knowledge along with wisdom. We should aim at wisdom as well as knowledge. Jnanam Vijnanam Sahidam. Now search for truth. Search for truth, that is God is truth. So search of truth is search of God itself. That is Satya Swarupa. Satya Swarupa. Another important slogan, that particular line. Okay, Satya Swarupa. The same principle of the science also, it follows the same principle, that is God, in search of God. Then man is supreme to whatever he invents or discovers. He is the supreme thing. Then Brahma means both truth which is sought and spirit in us which seeks it. Brahma means that is the what we search, the truth is the same thing that is in us. Basically the term, that Tattvamasi, the thing. Okay, work mention, that is Tirukural. Tirukural is mentioned in this particular essay. There is scientific outlook to be developed to overcome problems in India. That is, scientific culture and literary culture are not two different things. Then he says that all truth are same, historic, literary or scientific, whatever, all truth are same. It cannot be divided. It is the spirit in man seek knowledge. So it is the spirit, actually it is the spirit that works behind religion, behind science and everything. Even if we achieve in the field of technology, including nuclear power, our solar spirit is not developing. So it is stagnant, results in disproportionate proportion of knowledge and wisdom. So there is a disparity, there is a gap between the level of knowledge and wisdom, because if we don't develop, as if our spirit is not developing, then there will be a gap between knowledge and wisdom. Now, the life we enjoy today is a result of works of people who represented the true culture of the country. That is, those who followed Atma Vidya, those who mastered the ultimate truth or the highest scientific truth, that is Atma Vidya, that is knowledge of your own self. Okay, and it is the greatest science. That is the These are the important facts related to the essay.